Do you want to rank higher on Amazon? Here's how to dominate it in 2025. This is Ruben from PAS Professional Amazon Services, and let's dive in. Number one is an obvious, but guys, let's optimize your listings. Your product listing is your first impression, so make it count. Use relevant high-volume keywords in your title, bullet points, and description to ensure customers on Amazon algorithm knows exactly what your product is. Back this up with high-quality images that showcase your product from multiple angles and real-life use cases. Create visuals, increase trust, and encourage purchases. For number two is master Amazon backend search terms and attributes. Discoverability isn't just about the visible keywords, it's also what about this under the hood. Backend search terms let you include additional keywords, synonyms, long-tail phrases, and even common misspellings without cluttering your listing. Additionally, filing out essential attributes like size, color, material, and intended use ensure your product appears in filter searches and relevant categories. Amazon actively checks for these attributes using tools like IDQ, Data Quality Report, so make sure your listings are complete as possible for better visibility and SEO. Number three is to leverage video content. Video content is a game changer, as we know. Show your product in action with how-to videos, 360 views, or unboxing experience. Videos not only engage your audience, but also keep shoppers on your listing longer, a clear ranking signal that Amazon loves. For number four is we have external traffic. Think beyond Amazon. Use platforms like Google Ads, TikTok, or Instagram to bring new customers to your listing. For example, run a targeted ad campaigns on or partner with niche influence to create the buzz around your product. External traffic not only boosts sales, but also sends positive signals to Amazon about your product popularity. And last but not least is prioritizing the Amazon reviews. Customer reviews are your secret weapon. Shopper trust real experiences, so encourage positive reviews through excellent service and quality. Engage with customer to address concerns quickly and use Amazon Vine or post-purchase follow-ups for authentic feedback. Remember, a steady flow of positive reviews boosts both your rankings and your reputation. For the final thoughts, ranking on Amazon in 2025 is all about well-rounded approach. Nail these 5 strategies and you'll dominate the search results while driving more conversion and sales. Let your product shine. As always, follow more, subscribe to the channel for more Amazon content. Thank you and see you soon.